Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're exploring cryptocurrency exchanges and considering CoinEx, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a detailed review of CoinEx, covering everything from features to trading fees, and how to get started with the CoinEx referral code g69h3. So, let's dive right in. CoinEx is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, CoinEx has something to offer. By using the referral code g69h3 when you sign up, you can access some fantastic bonuses. Let's talk about what makes CoinEx a great choice for crypto trading. CoinEx was founded in 2017 and has quickly grown into a significant player in the crypto exchange market. With millions of users worldwide, CoinEx provides a robust platform for trading, investing, and earning in the crypto space. CoinEx boasts a user-friendly trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Here are some key features. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. CoinEx supports over 700 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most diverse exchanges available. Trading options. Offers spot, margin, and futures. Trading with various order types like market, limit, and conditional orders. Proprietary trade matching system ensures efficient and quick transactions. Non-mandatory. KYC allows for greater privacy while still providing optional KYC for users who prefer additional security. Mobile app. Trade on the go with the CoinEx mobile app. Getting started with CoinEx is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the CoinEx website, open your browser, and go to coinex.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code G69H3. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter G69H3 in the designated field to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration and you're all set. Using the code G69H3 is key to unlocking those referral benefits. Once you've signed up, you might want to verify your identity for additional features. Here's how. 1. Log in to your CoinEx account. 2. Go to Profile. Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. CoinEx will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of CoinEx. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any trader. Here's a breakdown. Maker and taker fees. CoinEx operates on a maker and taker fee model, where makers, those who add liquidity to the market, and takers, those who remove liquidity, are charged different fees. Fee levels. Fees vary based on your trading volume and VIP level, ranging from 0.2% for regular users to lower rates for higher volume traders. Deposit and withdrawal fees. These fees depend on the currency and method used. CoinEx takes security seriously. They employ advanced security features including cold storage. The majority of user funds are stored in cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to user accounts. Real-time monitoring, continuous monitoring to detect and prevent suspicious activities. Trading on CoinEx is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in. Access your CoinEx account. Navigate to the trading page. Choose the market you want to trade in. Place your order. Select the type of order, market, limit, or conditional, and enter the details. Execute. Confirm and execute your trade. CoinEx offers robust customer support, including 24/7 live chat, for immediate assistance. Email support for more detailed inquiries. Educational resources, guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and educational resources. Cons: some users may find the trading fees higher compared to other platforms. All right, that's it for today's video. CoinEx offers a comprehensive trading experience with numerous features to enhance your crypto journey. Remember to use the referral code g69h3 when you sign up to enjoy some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.